following video is a Mega BS-360SA horizontal bandsaw. Machine is new 2007. It's a semi-automatic saw. Blair is going to run a brief video demonstration.
Start out by raising the blade. Lower it. There's a rapid lower. Next we'll go up and we'll make a cut. The blade speed, we'll increase it. Feed rate. Slower. Faster. We'll let it go down and complete its cycle and it'll shut off.
We show the hydraulic vise as well.
Yep. I'll do that with it up so you can see it better.
Your hydraulic vise. This has also got a lift roller assist for when you drag material forward. And you can manually advance it. Roller will go back low and the hydraulic vise will reclamp. Again, the following video is a Mega BS-360 semi-automatic horizontal bandsaw.